Welcome to Techi Jack. Today I am excited to announce a brand new playlist on something that's both powerful and often overlooked: Windows automation with Ansible. If you have ever wished there was a simple way to automate Windows updates, VM creation, or software install, you are going to love this series. And I'm not going to do this alone. I have collaborated with one of my friend Nikhil, a DevOps expert. So let's welcome to Nikhil.
Hey folks, I am Nikhil, a DevOps engineer and the creator of a YouTube channel Techi Nick, focused on DevOps, MLOps and the automation. I will be co-hosting this series with Techi Jack, and together we are going to walk you through real-world automation use cases using Ansible to manage Windows system.
Thank you, Nikhil. Here's what we have planned for the core of this series. And what you will learn here is how to set up Windows WinRM to connect with Ansible. You will learn configure Windows Firewall and manage services through Ansible, how we can patch Windows through the Ansible, and how we can manage Active Directory user and groups. Therefore, how we can install software and configure them by using Ansible. If you have any Windows plus Ansible use case in your mind, you can drop it in the comments. We might feature your idea in the future video. Let me hand over to the Nikhil.
Our mission is simple: to help you automate repetitive tasks and save time, whether you are working in IT, DevOps or sysadmin roles. If you are into DevOps, Kubernetes, containers and automation workflow, make sure to check out my channel Techi Nick as well.